Hey, what's up everybody? It's Isaac Ramirez coming to you live with your market update. So I have the numbers for the month of September here, and the stats and the details are telling me some pretty interesting figures and facts that I definitely wanted to share with you. So let's check them out. Currently, there's over 886 homes that are for sale in the city of Fresno. What do you think the price would be on average? Well, let's get to the median. Median is about $319,000. That means that if you're currently shopping for a home and you're looking at what's currently active in the city of Fresno, $319,000 is your way, I would say, entry point to get into a home. Average days on the market for that are about 34 days. So noticing they are upticking a little bit with an average price per square foot about $169, which is, hey, still better than the city of Manhattan, right? Going for $15,000. But yeah, let's get back to Fresno. Currently, Fresno has pendings about 787 homes that are currently pending, and those have an average price of $265,000. Big difference between what's listed and what's pending. Currently pending, days on the market are about 15 days on the market, which kind of tells me, if I'm looking at the numbers correctly, 15 days on the market for homes that went pending, currently 34 days on the market for what's currently active. Prices are a big differential between the 319 active and the 265 pending. Does that mean the bigger homes or more expensive homes are sitting longer, or do the sellers have to have a conversation with their agent to maybe readjust the price to see what buyers are looking at, right? So I'm giving you the data right here. And most importantly, sold. 419 homes sold in the month of September. With a median price of $276,000. And guess what the days on the market were? 12. That means that people that sold their home, 419 individuals that got their home sold, priced it accordingly and got offers, if not multiple offers, and got the job done. Now let's move on to Clovis. Clovis currently has 280 homes that are on the market for sale with a median price of $428,000. Did I spill too much ink here between Clovis and Fresno? Because we got $428,000 with a average days of market 39. Does it mean Clovis homes are sitting a little longer? I'm not sure, but let's get to pending, because that's where the truth. Pending and sold will always tell us the truth, where things are heading and where things are going. Pending, 203 homes currently pending. 339,000 seems to be their median, with a average price of $187 per square feet. And guess what? Days of the market 25. Clovis also had a total of 115 homes that sold with a median price of $360,000, but here's the big kicker, days of the market 21. So between Fresno and Clovis, Fresno had their days on the market at 12, and their price was $276, but yet Clovis was more at 21, and their median price was at $360. Why do you think that is? Let's think about this real quick. I personally think that a lot of people that are entering into the market, especially in the city of Fresno, are first-time home buyers. And there's a lot of inventory out there, especially with a lot of the new home builders, the expansion that's going on in the 93727, 93737, and 93722. So Fresno is definitely seeing that side. Clovis, on the other hand, we're noticing the transition for growth is still happening, but it's a little slower than the city of Fresno. And a lot of the buyers that are buying from, hey, I'm giving you the market experience, what I'm sharing with you is move-up buyers, people that currently are selling their home to move up to either a bigger home in the city of Clovis. Just want to give you the facts of what's happening. I know this word out there called recession keeps going out there and it keeps getting spread around. We're going to get to that in our next video, but just wanted to share the stats because the proof is in the numbers. Days on the market are still selling at a very straightforward, healthy market. Pricing still great. My suggestion is if you are thinking of selling your home, price it accordingly to what the market is bearing. If you don't want to see the days of the market kick up, then don't overprice your house. And if you're looking to make sure you earn the most money for your property, then you're going to want to give my team a call. All right, Isaac Ramirez with your market update. Take care.